Nutrition, vitality, well-being. Developed by doTERRA clinical and medical scientists, the MetaPWR Blend is formulated with specific balanced ratios of grapefruit, lemon, peppermint, ginger and cinnamon essential oils for optimal results. Together, these oils combine to form a powerhouse breakthrough blend to help you make healthy choices with maximum impact. Focused on increased vitality, better nutrition choices and maintaining well-being, MetaPWR Essential Oil Blend is a powerful addition to help satisfy your sweet cravings. Consume MetaPWR daily before meals by adding a drop to water. When you crave sugary sweet foods, add a drop to chopped fruit for a refreshing snack. To be refreshed and ready for exercise, add to a smoothie or juice to create a stimulating environment. When you look and feel good on the inside, it shows on the outside. Live your most powerful life with MetaPWR Essential Oil Blend.